They both promise easy website building, but only one can truly make your vision a reality. WordPress.com versus Universe. Which platform changes the game? On one side, we have WordPress.com, the powerhouse loved by bloggers and businesses worldwide. On the other, Universe, the app shaking things up with its fresh, intuitive approach. We'll dive into real-life tests, setup speed, design flexibility, pricing, ease of use, and everything in between. Forget the marketing fluff. Let's talk about what it's actually like to build your site. Each round earns points, and at the end, you'll see a clear winner. And trust me, the outcome could surprise you. Let's get into it. So here's what we're comparing. We're talking price, how powerful and flexible they are, how easy it is to design something that actually looks good, integrations. That's like what kind of tools and plugins you can hook up, how much control you really get, and finally, how fast can you get your site live. Ready? Cool. Okay, first things first, price. WordPress.com starts with a free tier, which is nice, and their paid plans aren't crazy expensive until you, start slapping on plugins or thinking about running a store. Then things can creep up. On the other hand, Universe is super upfront about costs, and the free plan is actually pretty generous. You'll run into the odd feature locked behind Pro, but for most folks, it stays pretty wallet-friendly. So for pure ease and being less sneaky, Universe wins this round. Now, let's talk power and flexibility. WordPress. Oh man, there's just so much you can do. Like, you want a blog, a portfolio, a store, your own little community. It's all there if you can handle it. Plugins, themes, scaling up to something bigger? No problem. The trade-off? There's definitely a learning curve once you get past basics. Universe flips it. It's super easy for beginners, fast to put something together, but honestly, you're not getting that deep world of options. So if you want to grow wild, WordPress.com takes it here. Design. This one's fun. WordPress.com uses a block editor and you can definitely make some slick stuff, but I'm just gonna say it, the interface isn't as visual as Universe. With Universe, you're literally dragging blocks onto a grid, like building with Legos. No code needed, super satisfying. If you want crazy CSS though, you might feel a little boxed in. But for most people, Universe just feels more fun to design with. Universe wins here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know over 40% of the entire web runs on WordPress? No kidding. That's some serious street cred. Right? Let's dive into integrations and the ecosystem. WordPress.com? Massive. Like thousands of plugins and themes, and if you need some random tool, there's probably a plugin for it. Tons of community and developer help too though, let's be honest. It can get overwhelming fast. Universe keeps it simple and has a few built-in things like payments, but you're not going to find a huge library of extras. So for integrations and an open, expandable world, WordPress.com totally takes this one. Now, on to customization and ownership. This one's sneaky important. WordPress.com, especially on the paid plans, lets you export your whole site, mess with code, set up custom domains, SEO, all that nerdy stuff. But you gotta pay a bit more for the real power features. Universe, you're up and running in seconds. No need to think about servers or code, but you're definitely walled in. So if you care about owning and controlling your site, WordPress.com gets the point. Speed to launch. If you want a website up, like now for your event this weekend or a quick portfolio, Universe is lightning fast. You just drag, drop, boom, you're online in minutes. WordPress.com isn't exactly slow, especially with templates and onboarding guides, but you do have to make more choices right away. So for just getting it done and moving on with your life, Universe wins here. Alright, let's zoom out for a second. Both platforms have their strengths, and looking at all these categories side by side, you can see they're almost built for different kinds of people. It's not a total landslide, but there's a clear winner for most situations. Honestly, if you want to blog, customize, run a big site, or just tinker with everything, WordPress.com is your best bet. But if you just want to get online super fast with something clean, visual, maybe for an event, or even just a link in bio kind of thing, Universe is seriously hard to beat. It's really about what you need. If this comparison helped you, stick around and subscribe for more practical web tips. I'll catch you in the next one.